Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And remember that there's a miracle in everything. Mwah. And have a wonderful, what is it, Wednesday? Tuesday. Have a wonderful Taco Tuesday. What else can we have on Tuesday? Taco Tuesday. I don't know. I'll think of some T words and see what I would eat today. Hey guys, today I just didn't care. What happened today so far? Oh yeah, I was drinking wine and I got Chick-fil-A. I got Chick-fil-A or whatever, so that's all. I'm kind of not even really excited to record a video today because I made myself that way. I'm excited to do other things. Like, I'm working on my webcam right now, but yeah. Hope y'all are doing good. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's all. I'll see you guys in the next clip. I don't really know what I'm gonna do next. We shall see. I don't fucking know. Anyways, I got rid of that beeping noise. Oh my gosh. Dang. It was the smoke detectors. And I don't know. There was a smoke detector above the freaking washing machine that was just beeping and beeping and beeping and beeping. And I'm like, I had to really like be quiet and listen out to where the freak the noise was coming from. And it was on top of the washing machine. And I had to get the stepping stool to look on top of there. And I'm like, fuck. But I was so happy that I got it out the way. And now my videos will have one less background noise in it. Dang it. Okay. Hey guys, I'm just really not feeling it today. Like, I know all this truly well, and I'm like abundant as fuck. Like, everything is great. But I'm just, yeah, tired. And I'm just noticing like some outside energy and like from other people. I don't know. And yeah. And I just been kind of laughing too. Like, it's not even really fun and games, but I'm just laughing because it's fucking weird. But anyways, yeah. I hope y'all are doing good and amazing. And what do I have to say today? I didn't think of anything with the T for fruits. I still didn't think of anything with the T for fruit. Or food. Tomatoes. Tomato Soup Tuesday. Tomato Soup Tuesday. Tomato Soup Tuesday. Or what else? That's all I can think of. Dang it. I'm actually about to go look on Google because I don't have a mind blank right I just thought of it. Tangerine. Tomatoes, tangerine. What else? Dang. I still feel like rich energy. Doing nothing. Okay, let me get off here being boring. Well, this is me after the shower. I finally got in the shower. Anyways, yeah, I think I was I don't know, just having a lazy day. I don't know, maybe I was fucking what was I doing? I don't fucking know. But anyways, this is the last freaking clip, and make sure you guys have a freaking amazing rest of your day, and yeah, continue to work on yourself and your inner feelings, your inner vibrations, and yeah, thank you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Rest of your freaking week. Okay, I didn't feel like, I thought about doing my hair, but I didn't feel like doing it. I just don't feel like doing it. I'm going to keep being on the webcam and being, I don't know, a stripper hoe. But I was doing it lazily today per my intentions, but yeah. Anyways, that's all. Have an amazing rest of your week. Like I said, I'm just repeating the same thing. Oh, I don't know. I'm kind of tired and I gotta energize myself up. Okay, but bye. Talk to you guys later.